South Beach Diet. Your comprehensive guide to a healthier lifestyle. The South Beach Diet is a widespread weight loss and healthy living program emphasizing eating good carbs and healthy fats. Created by cardiologist Dr. Arthur Agatston, it aims to help individuals lose weight, improve their cholesterol levels, and boost overall health. Understanding the South Beach Diet. The South Beach Diet has 3 phases with distinct goals and guidelines. These phases help you gradually shift to a healthier lifestyle without feeling deprived. Phase 1. The Kickstart Objective. This phase aims to eliminate cravings for sugary foods and refined starches, stabilize blood sugar levels, and jumpstart weight loss. Duration. 2 weeks. Guidelines. Eliminate high-carb foods. During Phase 1, you avoid high-carb foods like bread, rice, potatoes, pasta, and certain fruits. Focus on lean proteins. Include lean proteins such as skinless poultry, fish, lean beef, and soy products. Eat plenty of vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and peppers are encouraged. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats such as olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Benefits. Rapid weight loss. Typically 8–13 pounds in 2 weeks. Reduced cravings for unhealthy foods. Stabilized blood sugar levels. Phase 2. Steady weight loss objective. This phase focuses on achieving your target weight by reintroducing some healthy carbs into your diet. Duration. Until you reach your goal weight. Guidelines. Gradual reintroduction of carbs. Slowly reintroduce healthy carbs like whole grains, fruits, and starchy vegetables. Monitor portion sizes. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Balanced meals. Eat lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Benefits. Steady, sustainable weight loss. Increased variety in your diet. Continued reduction in cravings. Phase 3. Maintenance objective. The final phase is about maintaining your new, healthier weight and lifestyle for the long term. Duration. Lifelong guidelines. Sustainable eating habits. Adopt the healthy habits you developed in phases 1 and 2. Flexibility. Enjoy occasional treats while maintaining a balanced diet. Active lifestyle. Incorporate regular physical activity to support your healthy weight. Benefits. Long-term weight maintenance. Improved overall health. Flexibility and enjoyment in your diet. Benefits of the South Beach Diet. The South Beach Diet offers numerous health benefits beyond weight loss. Here are some of the key advantages. Heart health. The diet emphasizes healthy fats and lean proteins, which can help lower harmful cholesterol levels, LDL, and increase good cholesterol levels, HDL. This can reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. Blood sugar control. The South Beach Diet helps stabilize blood sugar levels by eliminating refined carbs and sugars. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Sustainable weight loss. Unlike many fad diets, the South Beach Diet promotes sustainable weight loss by encouraging healthy eating habits and regular physical activity. This makes it easier to maintain weight loss over the long term. Nutritional balance. The diet promotes a balanced intake of proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, ensuring that the body receives the necessary nutrients for optimal functioning. Reduced cravings. The South Beach Diet makes it easier to resist unhealthy snacks and overeating by focusing on foods that stabilize blood sugar levels and eliminate cravings. South Beach Diet Meal Plan. Creating a meal plan that aligns with the South Beach Diet principles is essential for success. Here's a sample meal plan for each phase. Phase 1 Meal Plan. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Black coffee or herbal tea. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, and olive oil dressing. A serving of Greek yogurt. Dinner. Baked salmon with a side of steamed broccoli and cauliflower. A small serving of mixed nuts. Snacks. Hummus with celery sticks. String cheese. Phase 2 Meal Plan. Breakfast. Oatmeal topped with fresh berries. A cup of green tea. Lunch. Quinoa salad with chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese and apple. Dinner. Grilled turkey burgers with sweet potato fries. A side of mixed vegetables. Snacks. Whole grain crackers with hummus. Cottage cheese with sliced peaches. Phase 3 Meal Plan. Breakfast. Whole grain toast with avocado and poached eggs. A smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk lunch. Brown rice sushi rolls with avocado and cucumber. A side salad with mixed greens dinner. Lean beef stir-fry with bell peppers and snow peas. A small serving of quinoa snacks. Greek yogurt with honey and walnuts. Dark chocolate squares. Conclusion: the South Beach diet is more than just a weight loss program. It's a comprehensive approach to healthier living. By focusing on good carbs, healthy fats, and lean proteins, this diet can help you achieve and maintain your weight loss goals while improving your overall health. With careful planning, commitment, and the proper support, you can successfully adopt the South Beach diet and enjoy its numerous benefits.